starting the video, please hit that subscribe button for techno learning. In this video, I will show you that I have been that t-shirt, and for that I have to open the web browser, and in the Google I have to search for the Hacktoberfest, and in the meantime it will appear there, and click on the first result. After that, click on start hacking, and then it will open a new page to sign in with GitHub, and after you will clicking on it, you will be seeing the new thing that is gonna to blow your mind. Yes, as you can see that, congratulations, you have completed Hacktoberfest 2020, and to redeem your prize, please visit that unique URL. The URL is provided there and a copy button is also there. So you can see that we have been a t-shirt right now. So I will just copy this URL and open this within the new tab to show this. And here you can see that we have various options. Congrats you on winning the Hacktoberfest. And here we have the option to plant a tree, and if you want to continue with it, then just continue on it. And if you want to get this t-shirt, then go with that, and the size is given there. You can choose any size. This is the another t-shirt, and this is for the woman t-shirt, white, and this is black. So in this fest, in this year, we got different products to be shipped for $0. Okay, so I will select this and click on to give my contact details here for shipping the t-shirt, and in the first column I have to give the email ID as it is technolearning@yahoo.com. It is just a dumb email ID I have given here, and then the country, and here the name. Your name should be correct. After that, you don't need to fill that annotation and company, it is optional. And after that, you have to enter the address. So here you have to enter the full address. If it does not fit in one line, then try to enter it within the second line. So in the first line I am entering this, and make sure that your address is correct. Okay, so now I will give the city here, and then the postal code. Make sure the postal code is correct. After that, you have to enter the phone number here. So enter your phone number by which the postman or the courier boy will contact you while delivering this product to you. Okay, so here you can enter your thoughts here, and then click on continue. After clicking on it, you have to check your details and select shipping method as economy and click on continue. After that, you have to complete your order here, and as you can see that no payment is required. So here I will click on complete order, and it is ordered. I have got the order number, so my goodies are on the way, and I would suggest you to follow my previous video for it. Thank you.